Hey guys, Quint here. Got home today from work and had this package come in the mail. It came all the way from, you can see I've cut some of the packaging off. It was the customs declaration, but this came from over the pond. And I already know what's in here. It's an order that I made from the UK Lock Picker store. Go ahead and check those guys out. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. I'm excited about this because it's really learning something new, and you guys saw that I got that set of picks from Andy Mack. He's making some tools and selling them, so this is an addition to that toolkit that they sent me. Well, it's not an addition to it, but this is this kind of covers the padlocks. Okay, and one more. There we go. All right, so here we go. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Got a couple of stickers. Here's the website if you guys want to go check them out. Make sure you guys go check them out. uklockpickers.co.uk. You know, they've got just about anything you want. Plus some extra stuff. You know, some of the stuff we can get on some of these the sites here in the States, but they're making some custom stuff, or having Andy Mack make them some custom stuff that's coming out just superbly. At least in my opinion, it's coming out superbly. I don't have much knowledge on the lever locks and some of the padlocks that they get into over there, but you know, these are definitely custom made tools that I wanted to get my hands on. And you can see here, this is the first set here that I kind of keep practice on, that they sent out to me. But I wanted to get this other tool set. It looks like it came in a little bag. That's awesome. Awesome stuff, as you can see here. And essentially I'll be adding my other set to this. So let's see what we got in here. Alright, so we got some extra grub screws in there. These are a little bit longer than the initial set, but the setup's kind of the same for the padlock kit. So this is the padlock kit. Alright, here's the wires and the tension tool. As you can see here, tension tool's a little bit different than the other set that I showed you guys. The tension tool here has a longer grub screw. And then some of the smaller wires, little overlifter wire. Here they've got, excuse me, they have a left and a right. So when you pick the lock, they've got the different thicknesses also. So these are different thicknesses of wires. You guys can see here. Let me see if I can get all of these lined up so you can see. Oh goodness, sorry. So you guys can see these. So there's all the different thicknesses in the wires. You guys can see there. It came with this kit, and then here's the one that's the other way. All right, and then of course that's the overlifter wire for the set. Very nicely done. I mean, these are real heavy duty gauge wires. You're not going to be bending this stuff up. So I've been real impressed with the workmanship, and the quality of stuff that I've been getting. So, and then here's a couple more tension tools. You know, you got a couple of different. I mean, same process. You would put the key in there and essentially tighten those down and use that as your tension tool. Here's just another style of tension tool that you have. So overall, and then here's another. You can see here, he's got a different kind of a different way to hold the wire. This one here, I have to use a little hex bolt to tighten the wire in. So it looks like he's went and upgraded it a little bit to these external ones. So you don't really have to use a tool at all. You can just kind of tweak it with your hands. So that to me is a plus. I love them both, but this one will probably get more use a lot quicker to change your wires. than having to pull out a little grub screw every time. So that's a good idea there, Andy. Yeah, I think that'll work. And then you can just move it left and right. So these guys have also sent me a, you know, being over here in the States, we don't really get a lot of access to lever locks, but they sent me one of their, it's a little silver line, old English padlock. I really want to get more of these. They sent me a another 5 lever that I showed you guys on my first one. After this video is done, I don't want to take too long. I just wanted to show some of the awesome work that Andy Mack is doing, building these custom tools, and I really think you guys should get over there and show him some love. Get over to the website, lockpickers, uklockpickers.co.uk. Go over there and give him some love. Show him some, you know, get Andy Mack the recognition that he deserves in building these custom tools. He's taking the time to cut these brass keys and file them off so they'll fit and work as tensioners, and you know, doing the same thing here. He's filed this brass key down and then added the grub screw to the right height to act as a tensioner. So that's not easy, and he's saving folks a lot of money by doing these custom tools than having to go and buy these tools from a you know, a big manufacturer. So it's very ingenious on some of the stuff he does, and good workmanship. You know, I love, I mean, this is just like somebody building a challenge lock for you. You know, when you can get custom tools made, and the thought process and knowing everything that they put into designing it makes it more special to me to own it. So I'm very excited to have these. I can't wait to use them. My next video, of course, will be this thing put up in the vise, and I'll put together this tool set, and we'll get this thing picked open, hopefully. I mean, I don't know. I've never used it before, so you know, again, thanks Andy Mack. Thank you UK Lockpickers. That's, you know, make sure you guys get out and check out the YouTube channel for these guys too, or not. Yeah, well, you can check out his YouTube channel, but check out the Facebook group, and you know, just get involved with the community. We got guys doing amazing things out there, especially making these custom tools. You know, this is just being involved with the community and conversing with these with people and seeing what everybody's doing is just awesome. So again, thank you Andy Mack for building quality tools. You guys, if you're looking for a lever lock tool set for padlocks here, they also have the kit they put together for actual the larger lever locks. You can see here's a couple of the different wires and tools that they built for me. Well, not for me, but they have on the UK Lockpicker site. Go check it out, because Andy Mack, you guys can see there's his initials. He's making quality stuff, guys, and if you can get these starter kits built for way cheaper than what you can buy the commercial kits for, why wouldn't you? The thought process has been put in here. His wires are top notch, being used by his stuff is being used by, you know, locksmiths over over the pond, and they're loving his stuff. So why wouldn't you want to get a set just to have, you know, that's my thought process. I want to get some quality stuff to have, to play with, to practice with, to where I don't have to go out and spend money on, you know, 50 million different picks. So this is just another pick kit that I wanted to have in my arsenal. You guys go check it out. It's available over at the store, the uklockpickers.co.uk. This is the beginner or the padlock kit, but they also have the lever lock kit. So you guys, I appreciate your time. I appreciate you guys paying, you know, visiting my site or visiting my YouTube channel and sticking with me all this time. I hope you guys get one of Andy Mack's kits, and just support the guys in the community. That's really all it's about. Alright guys, this is Squint, and this is the next lock you'll see me pick. Alright, I'll be on the next lock, guys. Thanks.